Hello everyone! So story time tayo ngayon. So ayan. So sa hindi pa po nakakaalam is ang kami ni Habi is kinasal po civil sa Hong Kong. Yes, sa Hong Kong. And kaya pupunta kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. First sa Hong Kong ng one night lang and then pa China kami. Yes, Shanghai, China kung saan po nagsimula ang lahat. Charot. Yes, so ayan, nasa taxi na po kami papuntang Dubai kasi sa Dubai po kami yung departure namin. And yeah, Dubai to Hong Kong and then Hong Kong to Shanghai. So ayan, so nasa airport na kami niyan kasi medyo maaga kami, mga 3 hours kasi dapat daw 3 hours before your departure time. So ayan, nasa airport kami, inom ng kape while waiting. Ayan, so nasa plane na kami. And yes, of course, economy lang, of course, to save money. Parehas lang naman. Yes, so finally, nasa ano na kami niyan, landing na kami sa Hong Kong. And luckily, yes, thankfully, we had a safe flight. Pero, masama yung panahon. As you can see, very cloudy siya. Very cloudy siya. So, but we arrived safe and sound. So, yeah, that's the Hong Kong, finally. And we just want to show Cassie. Gusto lang namin pakita kay Cassie yung area ng, yung place na Hong Kong. Kasi gusto namin pakita sa kanya kung saan kami kinasalan. That's the plan. And yeah, meron silang metro or subway ba to, pero fast siya, fast subway, fast train, something. Yes, so ayan, so 30 minutes lang, medyo malayo pero talagang 30 minutes lang talaga siya. Unlike sa Shanghai is from the airport to the city is talagang one hour kasi ang daming stop. Yes, so ayan, nandiyan na kami niyan sa train. And sobrang fast niya, kaya si Cassie meron siyang air pressure, kaya ayan, so hindi talaga siya natutuwa, hindi niya nagustuhan yan kasi sobrang fast, kaya mafe-feel mo yung air pressure, yung pressure sa ear mo, yeah, exactly. So so ayan, so dito na kami sa Hong Kong just for one day lang naman. Tapos ayan, so mga 30 minutes din, mga ilang stop din yun, mga ano lang ata, 4 cities if I'm not wrong. Unlike in Shanghai. Yeah, so while on the way kami, ayan, binibigyan ko talaga si Cassie ng ng candies, although sabi not allowed daw the food and the drinks inside, pero binigyan ko pa talaga siya kasi candies lang naman, hindi naman yung McDonald's na kumakain ka talaga ng rice dyan. Candies lang para lang sa air pressure ni Cassie. Yes, tapos chewing gum, yun lang. I think for the babies naman is okay lang, for the kids, for small kids, kasi nakalagay dyan, as you can see, no food allowed, no drinks allowed, kasi nga may penalties ng 3,000 each Hong Kong dollar, ganun. So yes, so pero hindi naman kami so hindi naman kami nakabayad. Siguro allowed siya sa sa mga kids lang. Tapos candy lang naman, hindi naman siya nagkalat doon sa loob. Yes, so sobrang pagod namin, as in, kasi straight kami yung biyahe namin. Dumating kami ng mga around 10 AM ata 9 AM dyan sa Hong Kong. So nag-taxi kami papunta sa hotel namin, which is in the city lang, malapit lang. So minimum lang ata yung nabayad din namin sa taxi. Yes, so as you know na ang Hong Kong is hindi po parehas yung sa drive nila is sa Pinas is nasa, katulad dito sa Abu Dhabi is nasa left yung driver seat, pero dito sa Hong Kong is nasa right. Yes, so andyan na kami sa hotel niyan and yes, so hindi namin nagustuhan yung bed kasi ang sobrang liit for the 3 of us. Yung bed is parang ano lang, queen size lang siya talaga, pero okay naman for one night, that was okay. So ayan, nasa pit na kami. And unluckily nga, ayan, as you can see, foggy siya talaga. Makikita mo talaga yung usok dyan. Tingnan mo, parang may nasunog. Pero fog lang talaga yan siya. Kasi sa sobrang taas namin is, ayan, para na siyang clouds. Yes, para na siyang clouds. Yes. And yeah. So, dyan po kami kinasal ni Happy ko, dyan sa peak, the peak, yan po. Yan yung building na yan sa taas. Kailangan ka pong pumunta dyan. Yes, so, pumunta na kami dyan sa loob. May mall, tapos dyan sa taas na yan, yung parang ano siya, parang...
Oh, this is where the
Bruce
Lee.
Yes,
you can see
letrang
Bruce
C.
Lee now.
Para siyang duya, o para siyang ano, Bisaya, duyan siya, pero yan, duyan. Meron din siyang ano, yan, yung makakabili ka ng mga souvenirs, mga damit, para siyang maliit na mall. Tapos, meron siyang escalator, elevator, at meron din siyang food court, at iba pa, ang dami, at every floor meron siyang ano, parang nga siyang mall. So, ayan dyan sa, ano, sa escalator, may nakita kaming ano, yun nga, yung view ng Hong Kong, Hong Kong Tower. Yan ba yung tawag dyan? Basta makikita mo pala. Pareha sa Shanghai Tower, Taiwan Tower, ganyan yan. Pag nakita mo yan, yung mga buildings na yan, malalaman agad na nasa Hong Kong ka. Yes. So, that's the peak. And sobrang ganda talaga niya kung blue sky talaga siya. Kasi yung marriage, yung nag-civil kami, yung picture wedding namin is dito namin ginawa. Very blue sky. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Sobra. So, yeah. So, we were a little bit, not a little bit, we are so disappointed. Kasi first day lang, one day lang kami dito magsistay sa Hong Kong. Tapos ganyan pa yung weather. Oh my God. We were really so disappointed. Pero nakapag-picture naman kami kahit na ganun yung weather, kahit ganun yung ano, yung view, foggy siya. Nakapag-picture kami kasi kailangan talaga, kasi yun yung pinunta namin talaga dyan sa Hong Kong to show Cassie kung saan kami nagpa-picture on sa wedding picture namin. Yes, which is hanging in the wall. Makikita nyo yan. So, at least nakita nyo yan. Pero ipapakita ko dito sa ano, sa screen. Hopefully, magawa ko. Kasi medyo ano pa ako, sa study pa ako, sa editing. Yes, so, ayan, papunta pa lang kami niya na sa elevator. Kasi parang talagang ang ano niya talaga, mataas siya. Ang taas niya. So, pang ano ata, 10th floor ata. So, every floor mafe-feel mo talaga yung air pressure. Yan, so as you can see, sobrang foggy niya. At least lahat ng mga tao doon na naandun nung time na yun is sobrang disappointed. Tingnan mo, wala kang makikita. At least that building, pero wala talagang blue sky. Very foggy. But overall, we are thankful naman kasi we arrived safe and sound. That's the most important. And we were happy and to show Cassie and where we got married and bring back all the memories. Yeah, so we were happy naman and very thankful. Yes, but we are just disappointed because about the weather lang naman. Yeah, but overall, we are thankful and we were happy. Yes, about this trip. So yan yung nagawa ko, pare naka fast motion ba tawag nun? Slow motion, fast motion. Yeah. Ayan, so pababa namin kami nag-taxi kasi papuntang sa taas, nag-taxi kami and we never liked it, so nag-decide kami mag-tram. Yung tram dyan pababa, para siyang train pero open siya sa taas, at least so off niya. So grabe talaga yung yung tingnan mo, so deep, makikita nyo yan. So we tried it, and kasi ma-feel mo din sa taxi talaga yung air pressure din pero dito sa train na to hindi, kasi open kasi siya sa roof niya, so medyo mahangin siya. So it was a really good experience, though we tried it already before. Of course, this is all new experience for Cassie, and yeah, and she loves it. Actually, she loves it. The only thing that bothered her was the air pressure, because na mountains here and airplane and the fast train. Kaya, ayun. So, but this tram, they called it tram, tram. She liked it. Kasi wala daw air pressure siyang napifeel. Kasi slow kasi siya eh. Very slow siya. Pababa. And very slow. Hindi siya yung fast talaga. So, wala siyang air pressure na napifeel. Siguro meron, pero konti lang. Hindi yung talagang discomfort sa tenga niya. So, ang ganda. So, yeah, that was also one of the best days that we like from our trip kasi that was the highlight na napakita namin kay Cassie lahat-lahat kung saan nga kami nagpunta sa here. Love Begins, charot, hindi. Love Begins was in Shanghai. So, yeah. So, ayan din yung papakita ko sa next video is about our Shanghai trip. So, yeah. So, yeah. Dumating na kami. So, meron pa kaming pupuntahan sana is mag-boat tour kami. Kaso, ayan, nawala kami. Nawala. Yes. Talagang meron talagang taxi na talagang nag-cheat talaga sa amin. Nagbayad kami ng pagkamahal-mahal. Sobrang lapit lang naman. Akala namin yung presyo niya is dadalhin kami sa kabilang river. Kasi may river siya eh. Kasi meron atang underground bridge. Yes, so akala namin yung presyo ng taxi is dadalhin kami sa kabila. Kaso hindi pala. Kaya ayan, nag-boat kami. So, talagang na-scam kami ng taxi driver na yun as in. So, take note guys, nasa Hong Kong meron ding mga na taxi driver, barong-bado din. Parang Manila lang din. Talagang as in, be careful. Kaya, hindi na kami nag-take time na mag-waste yung time namin na mag-report sa police kasi nga, one day and one night lang kami doon. Tapos sobrang pagod pa namin kasi continue talaga yung flight namin. Hindi nga kami nakatulog sa plane lang, konti. Kaya sobrang pagod na kami niya. So, ayan guys. So, sapos na kami. So, that, again, sa fast train kami papuntang airport. Kasi that was our time to go back. Sobrang aga niyan. As in, mga mga 6 a.m. 6:30 ganyan. So, ayan, nasa airport na kami. And continue our journey. So, to Shanghai. So, the flight from Hong Kong to Shanghai is around 2 hours, 10 minutes something. Yes. Which I never understand because akala ko parang Manila to Dumaguete lang 1 hour and 15 minutes. Pero ano lang pala, 2 hours pala. Sobrang. Tapos, worst traffic dyan sa Hong Kong. Naghintay talaga kami sa plane kasi ang traffic dyan sa sa runway nila dyan, sobrang traffic. So naghintay kami ata sa plane ng mga 1.5 hours if I'm not mistaken. Grabe, sobrang traffic. Sabi ng asawa ko, mas worse pa sa Manila. Yes, mas worse pa sa Manila. Yan, but overall, Cathay Pacific is the best. The food is the best, really good. And yun lang, hindi lang talaga siya on time din. Hindi lang siya on time. Pero yung flight namin, pa China, pa Shanghai to Hong Kong, that was on time. Pero yung Hong Kong to Dubai again was delayed again, I think. Yeah, yun lang. So, anyway, ayan. So, nasa plane na kami. And, yeah, papuntang Dubai niyan. So, yes. And, thank you for watching this video, guys. And, ayan, voice message na lang ako. So, that was really good. And, was the best trip ever kasi napakita na namin yung one country kung saan kami nagsimula before Cassie. Yes, and ayan yung food nga pala sa plane ni Cassie which she never eat. She never ate kasi nga sobrang picky ni Cassie. Thank you for watching guys, and that's it. Bye!